I'm going to start shooting now. I'm not. There we go. I think there was something wrong with the camera for a second, but here we go. Trying to take a look tonight. I really hoped we'd have color on it tonight. I wanted to get this shot and sent out and indicate that we've made progress. Although I have to tell you, this has been. No, I don't have to tell you, but I'm going to whine a little bit. This has been unbelievably more complex than it looks. It looks so simple. The other pieces are not on. They're not on intentionally, because I simply don't need them on right now to show you what I want to show you. They will be going right here ultimately. And but the light is the thing that has me really happy right now. This piece, curved 3/4 inch tube, same diameter as here, right in line with the main tube, and almost therefore invisible, not entirely, but with the color applied, it will fade almost completely into the backdrop. Gives the numbers a really good amount of light. Much more, I tried some experimentation with, going to be out of range, of the microphone, I think. I tried some experimentation with other types of lighting, including a super bright flashlight, and nothing came close. There we are without the LEDs. There's a typical light over here where we thought we might highlight it. And even if I come clear out feet away from the base, I don't like it. We don't have anything. Now, look at this. We've got something. And I've tucked it in so tight here that you don't see it coming down from the house. You won't see it at all coming down from the house. You might see it a few feet from being right underneath it, but you're not looking up at that point. Or if you are, it's a rare case, and that, you know, a person might look up there once, but that's not what you do. Walk under an entry and look straight up. So I'm not too worried about that part of it. I'm just really pleased with this look and how clean it looks. I chose to leave a gap up here. Boy, I don't know. I hope you agree with me. I think that stands out so nicely. There's a solid bar that's connected to the numbers across the bottom that is right in line with that tube that runs across. So it virtually disappears, but keeps the numbers nice and to what I'm looking for, just in line, perfectly in line. So I didn't have to install them one at a time precisely. I was able to put them on as a singular unit. I'm very, very pleased with the fellow that did the water jet cutting. His service and turnaround time, once we got everything underway and understood, was really, really good. So I'm pleased with him. So that's it. Color tomorrow. We begin that tomorrow. Actually, I do a hike in the morning, so I'm not sure how much color I'll get on tomorrow, but by Friday, I hope to have this thing dark bronze and then green with a lot of green on top. And the art, we'll put the art on just to show, but it could be ready for installation as early as next week. However, the handrails are the next thing. And let me just show you really quickly that we have some progress. Minimal, well, actually not minimal. This was pretty tough. I bent the railings, the handrails, to what they need to be, and I did it by filling them with tree pitch and putting these curves in exactly where they need to be. And they were perfect the second time. They were not perfect the first time. That's been one of the bugaboos of this project. I'm maybe too much of a perfectionist, but that's the way it is. Okay, I got to stop. I wanted you to see a little update. Those of you that are following, that's what's going on. My dear customer, thank you for sticking with me, and the patience has been incredible through all that we've been through. So thank you. Thank you all for watching. See you another time.